What if we want to print out strings and numbers together? For example, if my age equals 34, print I am 34 years old. You would think that that would be what prints out. However, in Python, you cannot concatenate numbers with strings. Let's examine what that looks like on the next slide. Try to type in the code to your IDE and see what happens. An error occurs stating that it cannot concatenate the string because one of them is not a string. So how do we fix this problem? Python will not be able to combine these together since there is a string, then a number, then a string. Python needs them to all be strings like this. So we need that 34 to be a string, not an integer. The way to change a number into a string is by using str. So str34 changes 34 to the string version of 34. Now the computer no longer reads 34 as a number, but just 2 characters in a string. Let's try our example again. Change the number my age into a string using str in your IDE. So instead of just having it say my age, now we put my age inside the parentheses of the str function. Now what happens? The output is I am 34 years old. Some languages use a concat function instead of a plus sign to solve this issue. If you have further interest in string concatenation, you can Google it to see a list of all the commands that can be used in any language.